To get EBT cash, you need to understand what EBT is and how it works. EBT stands for Electronic Benefits Transfer, which is a system used by the government to provide financial assistance to low-income individuals and families. The cash benefit is part of the Temporary Assistance for Needy Families program, and it is designed to help eligible recipients with essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and clothing. Step 1 is to determine if you are eligible for EBT cash benefits. Eligibility is based on income, family size, and other factors, so you will need to check with your local social services department to see if you qualify. They will review your application and verify your information to determine your eligibility. Once you are deemed eligible, you will be issued an EBT card, which looks and works like a debit card. You will receive a certain amount of cash benefits each month, which will be loaded onto your EBT card. You can then use your card to withdraw cash from an ATM or make purchases at participating stores. To get EBT cash, you can use your card at an ATM to withdraw cash. You will need to enter your PIN and select the cash withdrawal option. You can also use your card to make purchases at stores that accept EBT, and some of the change may be given to you in cash. For example, if you buy groceries with your EBT card and the change is due to you, the store may give you the balance in cash. It is essential to keep track of your EBT cash balance to avoid overdrafts and other issues. You can check your balance online, by phone, or at an ATM. You should also be aware of any fees associated with using your EBT card, such as ATM fees, and try to minimize them. Best practices for using your EBT cash benefits include budgeting your expenses, prioritizing essential needs, and avoiding unnecessary purchases. You should also keep your EBT card and PIN safe to prevent unauthorized use. In summary, getting EBT cash involves determining your eligibility, receiving an EBT card, and using it to withdraw cash or make purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your EBT cash benefits and make the most of this financial assistance program.